Look, B. He's got your stick. He's got your stick. He's got it. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Go get your stick. Get that big stick. Where is it? Go get that big stick. Go get it. Go get him. Go get him. Go, Rico. Go get it. Oh. Good throw, John.
Yeah, let's do Adam's ball.
She's just like so excited about it. She's like some prehistoric dog with a prehistoric stick. Good dog. Put it down. Put it down. Good girl. Good dog, B. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna throw it. Take it easy. Sit. Good dog. Okay. About 15 minutes, guys, okay?
I'm riding it. I was riding it back to shore. Where's he taking it?
I don't know. Look at the line she's making.
Taking it away.
Good dog. Good dog. Good dog.